Today I am going to share crispy potato pakora recipe. Ramadan special recipe. Quick and easy to make. Large potato 1. Peel and wash. Slice it. Not too thick or not too thin. Perfect. Wash it. Drain the water out. Dry out the potato with clean towel or paper towel. Batter preparation. Garam flour 1 cup. Rice flour 4 tablespoons. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Onion powder 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Paprika powder 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Mix. Salt to taste. Mix. Water as required. Perfect batter. Coriander leaf 2 tablespoons. Mix. Cover and rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, mix again. Coriander chutney preparation. Coriander leaf ½ cup. Garlic cloves 2. Green chili 3 pieces. Raw mango optional. Plain yogurt 3 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Make a smooth paste. Done. Slice potato deep with garam flour mixture. Shake excess. Deep fry. Flip. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.